right, here we go. Little Coast Guard boat course out here. Little Coast Guard action. You're in the Coast Guard training program now, boy.
Woo, we're going to win.
You guys are in the...
Are you ready, Daddy?
Yeah. Hey, you guys are in the Coast Guard training program. How's it feel? Ooh, you got your lights on. Hey, how'd you turn your lights on? Is there a switch over here?
Are you ready, Daddy?
Yeah. Press the pedal. Oh, you press the pedal and the lights turn on. Well, it's a little top heavy one way for us.
You told me to put the lights on.
King, you gotta hold the pedal down. King, you gotta press the pedal down the whole time.
Nope. That's so bad.
You gotta keep your you can keep your foot on the pedal the whole time. True heroes of the Coast Guard right there, keeping everything in tip-top shape.
That's a person, a cop,
Coast Guard.
Coast Guard.
It's like an officer.
That is a fish. It's hard.
There you go. Now you're all set. Got a fisher lady over here with some seagulls eating her fish. Yeah, Kane just took his hands off the wheel and he's not steering at all. You guys are gonna pass us. Our boat's heavy. Oh no! Ooh. All right, now turn to the left. Turn to the left. All the way to the left. Yep, just keep that. Keep it right there. We're eventually turning. All right. Now start straightening it out. Start straightening it out. Like this. Stay just like this for a second. Now turn to the left a little bit. There we go. Now straighten it out. Straighten it out. Straighten it out. We need to turn again. All right, now straighten it out. Because we're overcorrecting. Those are scuba divers with the pelican spitting out water. Turn to the left. Not all the way. Turn to the right. Just a little bit. Turn to the right. Just a little bit. There you go. Keep it right there. In 45 minutes. All right, go straight. All right, go right. Turn to the right. All the way to the right. All the way to the right. Treasure chest, some boats. Keep it like that. Start straightening up. Start turning to the left. Is she doing it herself? I think you're getting the hang of it now. See, you got the hang of it now. You're doing good. No need to get frustrated. You got a lighthouse over here. Hi. Yeah. I mean, I don't care if I get wet in what I'm wearing. You brought their bathing suits? You're doing it all by yourself? I stopped telling Kane what to do back over there, and he's doing it all himself now. He's doing good. Good job, Kane. See, you got it. It took a second. The bad guy's hiding from the Coast Guard. Where's he hiding? Tiff, where's he hiding? You should tell somebody. This guy's telling you good job, Coast Guardian.
We're stopping soon.
Yep. You're doing a good job, though.
Oh, I turn.
For the last thing, yeah. Can you straighten the wheel out now? So you get up on the conveyor belt. Thanks. Thanks for the push. I think our anchor's down. Something was really weighing down the boat the whole time. Thank you. Kane, did you have fun? Did you have fun? Yeah. You guys drove your first boats. How was driving your first boat? Good? That's what I like to hear.
Thank you for watching.